So it is a rainy day today, a lazy, mundane, non-productive day for the most of us who just want to cuddle up in a blanket and call it a day. I have decided to wake myself up with a delicious warm cup of tea. It has been long since I have enjoyed a warm beverages while reading a book. Today I am making a classic milk tea. It's easy, simple and quick to make.
今天我自己。
There is something poetic about reading a book while drinking tea in the rain. Do you have a favorite book? What kind of books do you read? Please comment below on the type of books you like. I like books that are non-fiction and philosophical books. So guys, I'm going to enjoy my tea time now. See you guys on my next video. Bye.